Nice. That's it. So we're going for 10 to 15, okay? So it's until failure. Rocky. Good boy. Nice. Really good, really good. Nice and deep as well, all the way down, which is good. That's 7. Does that feel a bit better? 5. So again, between 10 and 15. Perfect. That's it. 1, 2. So I'm 10 kilogram now. 3. Looks strong. 4. 5. I can. Is that your left one?
Yeah.
I thought so. 8. 1 more left, and that's 10. That's it. Nice. So you're definitely in the rep range. So between 10 and 15. That's it, stop there. Careful. 14. Careful, careful, careful. There we go. Nice, you got it. Well done, well done. I thought you was done at 13, I'm not gonna lie. That's really good. Hold the bar, lift in 3, 2, 1, push. Your bar. Okay. Set, push. 1. Nice. 2. 3. 4. Good. Was it me? That's bad. 3. Nice. Just 2 more. Perfect. Last one. 3, 2, 1. Push. Okay, your bar. Just go for it. Nice and smooth. Nice. 1. 2. 3. Very good. 4. Last one. Last one. 5. Perfect. Well done. 3, 2, 1. That's it. Push. Your bar. Push. Nice. 1. Solid. 2. Good. 3. Push, 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 push.
3.
Any more in the tank? Yes, there is. 4. Yes. Not got it. Not got it. So we've got 4. Oops. Oh, very quick. I forgot how quick you move with these. We did them the other day, didn't we? Very good. And straight into that 20 slam balls. 1. Nice. 2. 3. 4. Nice. 17. Nice. 18. 19. Last one. 20. Right, we're gonna, and then back round again. Nice. Nice, perfect. Nice and fast on her. Then straight onto the sledgehammers. Same again, he's not bothered. That's it. Perfect. That's it. 10 either side. Nice. Perfect. Nice. How's it feel hitting it a little bit higher? That's it, you're doing good. Nice. cross jab. Jab. Jab, cross jab. That's it, and then down. Okay. So they all flow. So one from the front, that's it, jab, cross jab. Roundhouse. Perfect, that's it. So we just keep going for the whole minute. So we're doing it for fitness, even though that's really, really good kicks. That's why we don't have pads on. Nice. Yeah. Doing good. Getting that body moving, working on that balance. This is really good for your knee as well. That's it. Perfect. Perfect. Alexa, snooze for 30 seconds. So we're going to do 4 rounds of that. Minute on, 30 seconds off, minute on, 30 seconds off. And the main reason why we're doing it is from a fitness perspective rather than martial arts. I just want you to get used to balancing on one leg. I know you do that anyway, but obviously the impact, jab, cross jab, bring it around. Obviously turning that ankle. Because I know that the ankle flexion, the movement, the mobility is not there since everything. Well, reconstruction of everything really. So this is really good to help you. Woo! Right. I won't put music back on. Let's go. Let's go. That's it. Get the front kick. Jump, cross, jump. Nice. Front kick. Jump, cross, jump. Alexa, 1 minute. Nice. Right. Let's go for it. Very good, very good. That's good, that's good. And then it feels like throwing. It takes that. I know. No, not yet. Alexa, how long's left on my timer? 2 timers, that's nice, keep going. 10 seconds.
Ready?